Coming up in and around Pattaya this weekend and the coming week, for cocktail lovers looking for something a little different, there's a hands-on cocktail workshop on Saturday the 22nd at the Brew and Bar at the Holiday Inn Hotel. That runs from 3 till 5 p.m. and you get to learn how to make 3 classic cocktails with guidance from an expert mixologist. The workshop also includes recipe cards, a cocktail shaker set to take home, and a certificate of completion. That's priced at 1,200 baht per person, with advanced reservations required. The Pattaya International Film Festival is back this week, taking place from the 22nd to the 30th of August, under the theme The Cinematic Wave. With lots to look forward to, enjoy 9 days of free movie screenings at the SFX Cinema at Terminal 21 Shopping Mall, with the highlight being the open-air movies by the sea from the 28th to the 30th of August on Pattaya Beach. For food lovers, the Tasty Fest is now running through to the 25th of August, bringing together a selection of restaurants and dishes inspired by Michelin-starred establishments. That's on the ground floor at the Terminal 21 Shopping Mall. Something new to check out is the Pattaya Sand and Art Festival 2026, running from Thursday the 27th through to the 31st of August. That takes place on the beach in front of the central Pattaya Mall, with giant sand sculptures, sand in bottles, and light and sound shows on display. And best of all, entrance is completely free. And taking place this weekend is the Feel All the Feelings at Chonburi event. That's on Saturday and Sunday at the Nablula Old Market community, showcasing some of the area's creative side, with street art from leading artists, local street food, craft stalls and live music. That's from 3 till 9 p.m. Another event taking place this weekend is the Royal British Legion's Veterans Charity Bowls Shield. That's on Saturday and Sunday at the Retreat Lawn Bowls Club Pattaya, with play starting at 9 a.m. It's also a great networking opportunity with food, drinks, and a raffle featuring great prizes up for grabs. For more info on these events and plenty more happening around the city, visit alwayspattaya.com.